Hello and welcome. Sorry, it's been a while since I've done stuff. Anyway, here I'm going to turn on the 64, and this is the one that I recently got. This is quite the display it puts on here. There was a bad 6526 and a bad VIC chip, so I have moved everything over, and well, obviously things are not all tickety-boo here. Wow, that's something. The 1702 is displaying something quite different, but this is the big monitor, and yeah, it's quite something. Would make a great sort of thing from a movie where the aliens are taking over. Oh no, somebody is sending me messages. Heavens, 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 heavens! What could this be? Anyway, this is quite something. So this is an original board from a Commodore 64. Um, oh, these are not reading glasses. I don't know why I have these glasses. I need to find reading glasses. I have them here somewhere. I do. Anyway, this table has become an absolute disaster. Oh yeah, things are happening here. So I'm not sure what's what here. Certainly, this hasn't been on all that long. The video chip is pretty hot, as is the SID chip, like unusually hot. This is discouraging. It is. And I don't know why. There is one chip amongst this whole thing that is in a socket. Who knows? Maybe there's something to that. I don't know. Anyway, as I am now in a state of deciding that I need to tidy up, etc., 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 I don't know if I'm going to pursue this computer at this moment. It is an early board. It's a revision A, which, strangely enough, is not the oldest revision. The oldest revision is revision B. It is. It is indeed. Strange that. So, what I might do after showing you this magical screen display, I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to turn it back on. We'll see what it does then. Oh yeah, well, it does seem that maybe something is getting hot. Something. And I'm just poking around to see if I can see what's getting hot. All the chips feel significantly warm. Oh well. Anyway, so I don't think I'm going to get to finish this repair at this time because this room has become an absolute disaster, and I need to undisaster it so I can look at things because I've got lots of things to look at. And indeed, I keep on saying I'm going to do this, but I really need to get some stuff ready to sell. It kind of reminds me, there's a show called Rust Valley Restorers, I think it is. The guy there is always talking about he's not going to get any more cars, and he's got to, get some stuff ready to sell it. And of course, he's always getting more cars and never really sells much. And gee, yeah, I see a common thread there. I do. I'm going to turn this off again. Maybe I'll move this around so you can see what's happening some on the monitor. I'll turn it back on. That display over there is pretty consistent. On the big monitor, it is shifting around some. It is indeed. There we are. So I don't know what's wrong. It is possible that maybe I need to try a different VIC chip in his. I don't know. Anyway, There's lots of weird things going on. And I don't know why. So I guess what I maybe I will do is see about putting the machine that I stole things out of back together, so it's working, and make notes on this one and put it back together and carry on and move on at getting stuff in here tidied and shuffled and moved. And then, see, I've got a car full of stuff I need to go through. I do. Anyway, well, thanks for coming. I'm sure this is an interesting, well, it's an interesting display. I just wish I knew why. All right, that's it. That's all for now. We'll see you again soon back here in the TV room. David Bradley, signing off. See you again soon. By the way, I haven't recording lately because I believe I'm suffering from heat exhaustion. It's a long story, and of course, probably because of my workplace, they probably don't want anybody to hear what's up and stuff. But anyway, I've been feeling very exhausted, very tired, very sick, and I did actually seek medical attention. I did. So anyway, thanks for coming. We'll see what we can see in the next video. Bye for now.